So I'm Katie LeLarge. I live in Connecticut, just outside New York City, and my job title is that I'm an independent innovation consultant. I wanted to make sure that the continuity of material that I was doing was bringing me somewhere, and I think a one-off class is great. I'm sure I would have done that probably earlier in my career, but now that I'm at 25 years into my career, I just wanted to make sure that I touched a lot of the topics. So one was modeling theory in innovation, another was 3D printing, another one was AI, and those are key topics and communication that you just really can't ever get enough of if you just stay in your own environment. The diversity of people that are coming to this class and the level of the problems that they're thinking through is amazing. And pushing yourself to do homework and pushing yourself to the level of the thinking that the professors are asking us to do really makes you feel like you own the tools, and you're not just going to go back to your desk tomorrow and be like, oh, there were a bunch of PowerPoints and I listened for several hours, or I was online on Zoom, but like you've really actioned the thoughts and incorporated the learnings, and that to me exceeds value. And this has been such a dynamic mix of like get up and do something, get up and activate your learning, interact with your colleagues, share something, build something together. Just like in the 3D printing class as well, we went to the labs, we visited the labs, we used the machine. So that interactive nature didn't make it feel like I was in a classroom, it just made it feel like experiential learning.